Welcome to another topic of immunology of the cellular component. So today we are going to talk about the B cell activation and class switching. So before starting this B cell activation and the class switching, I want you to read about the T cell activation. So after the T cell activation, then only the B cell activation occurs. So the B cell activation is in with integration with the activated CD4 plus T cells. So how these CD4 T cells are activated, I have already discussed that in T cell activation. So before starting this B cell activation and the class switching, you must read the T cell activation. So we have the activated, so there are, before starting the B cell activation topic, I want you to understand that there are total 6 steps of the B cell activation. So we'll discuss that step by step, one by one. So after the T cell activation, the T cell activation occurs. I have already discussed that in the previous topic, how the T cell activation occurs. So I'm again going to revise you that the T cell activation occurs in the 4 steps. First, there is dendritic cell antigen presentation. Then there is signal 1, that is T cell activation. And another is signal 2, that is proliferation and the survival. And last step is the activated T cell produces cytokine, and cytotoxic T cell are able to recognize and they kill virus infected cell at the last. So that occurs in the T cell activation. So after that T cell activation occurs, we have the activated CD4 plus T cells here. So we have activated CD4 plus T cell. So in the second step, what happens? In the second step, you can see here there is B cell receptor mediated endocytosis of the antigen. So here is B cell receptor in the surface of the B cell, and when there is antigen in our body, then there is B cell receptor mediated endocytosis. So this B cell engulfs the antigen through the action called endocytosis. So in the third step, what happens? There is the exogenous antigen which is presented on the MHC2, and that is recognized by the T cell receptor on the T helper cell. So this happened like this. And in the fourth step, what happened? In the fourth step, the CD40 receptor on the B cell binds the CD40 ligand on the T helper cell. So in the fifth stage, after the binding of the B cell to the CD40 ligand, the T helper cell secretes the cytokine that determines the immunoglobulin class switching of the B cells. So ultimately the activated T cell produces various cytokines. So this cytokine, according to the what types of cytokine the CD4 T cells produces, so that cytokines will determine the nature of the immunoglobulin the T cells will produce, T helper cell will produce. So there are various types of cytokines that are produced by the T helper cells. We'll discuss about those cytokine detail in another video. So what happens? There is secretion of the cytokines. As always, the B cell, the activated B cell perform various activities. So the B cell are activated and it undergoes the class switching and the affinity maturation and begin producing the antibody. So after the class switching only, the antibodies are produced from the B cells. So this is the brief steps of the B cell activation. I'm again going to revise this B cell activation. So first of all, what happened? The activated T cells. We have the activated CD4 T cells that have on their surface of the cells. They have the CD4 and the T cells receptor, and we have the exogenous antigen, and the exogenous antigen is presented on the B cell receptor that is present on the B cells. So what happened? The exogenous antigen is presented on the MHC2 and that is recognized by the T cell receptor on the T helper cells. So in the fourth step, the CD40 receptor on the B cell bind to CD40 ligand on the T helper cell, and on the fifth step, the T helper cell secretes cytokines that determines the immunoglobulin class switch of the B cells, and the B cells are activated, which undergoes the class switching and the affinity maturation, and the activated B cells produce the antibody. So I hope you understood this lecture. This concludes our topic on B cell activation and the class switching. Thank you.